Hi everyone, welcome back to Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, please consider supporting the channel by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. By doing so, you will also be eligible for monthly giveaway reading, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. If this message doesn't resonate with you, you can also check the all zodiac sign reading for the month of June, as it may resonate with you as well. Please note that this is a general collective energy reading. It may or may not resonate with every single person out there. Just take the part that resonates and leave the rest. All right. So we are back with another pick a card reading. As you can see here, we have 5 piles. Pile number 1, pile number 2, pile number 3, pile number 4, and pile number 5. Alright, so for today's topic here, we're actually going to look why are your person still silent, why there is no communication, what is going on with them, is it over, and all those sort of things. Alright, so just pick the pile that you are most drawn to here, and if you need more than a minute to pick that, you can just pause the video. I will put the timestamp of each pile both in the comment section as well as in the description box, so you can just click on that once you pick your pile. Alright, so we are going to look at pile number 1 first. Let's put this aside. Alright, so for pile number 1, the first card that I've got here is Page of Cups, the Nine of Swords, Queen of Wands, the Magician, the Eight of Pentacles, and abusive or abusive relationship as the channel message here. So for those who chose pile number 1, I do feel like you could be dealing strongly with water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, as I'm getting this 2 sign coming up quite prominent here. I do feel like for those who chose pile number 1, that could be a third party involvement here, as in that could be someone else, like they could be in a relationship with someone else, or this could actually be a toxic friend or toxic family members here. I do feel like if this is not if your person is basically not in a relationship with someone else here, I do feel like that could have an abusive situation, in a sense that could be living together with a mother figure, or someone that basically regarding as a mother figure here, who could actually be quite toxic or quite abusive towards them. I do feel like at this point of time, your person is currently in this state of lots of anxiety coming up from your person here, and I do feel like you could also be coming up, like you could also be mirroring this energy for those who chose pile number 1. For those who chose pile number 1, your person, for those of you who could actually have a significant age gap here. If not, that could just be an indication of some kind of immaturity surrounding this situation as well. So another reason why they haven't reached out could actually be because they're kind of in this ego battle, like they're basically kind of like, okay, I'm just going to wait for them to reach out towards me, that kind of child this game as well. But for the majority of you who chose pile number 1, I'm definitely sensing a lot of anxiety coming up from your person here, and I do feel like you could also be mirroring this energy, in a sense that you could also be having trouble sleeping at night, or you could just be feeling restlessness, just like sweating out of nowhere, especially at night here. I do feel like for those who chose pile number 1, what you need to do at this point of time to actually help your person here, I do feel like they definitely want to reach out towards you, because I've got the Magician card coming up here. So like they're basically at this state of like trying to manifest this communication to come between the two of you here. But I do feel like they're also kind of in this state of like basically your person could be in the state of they're just feeling stuck there, like they basically don't know which way to go or how to start the communication, because I do feel like they have gone through so much of hurt, so much of pain here as well. So I do feel of you So I do feel like for those who chose pile number one, there is definitely a manifestation coming up in both of your energy here. Like both of you are equally manifesting this communication. Both of you are equally manifesting like this conversation to happen between the two of you here. The only way for you to actually help your person at this point of time, for those who chose pile number one, is basically keep on working yourself by meditating, do saging, spiritual bath, and most importantly is just that basically you're sending your person prayer, as well as like positive thoughts, as well as healing thoughts here, like lots of healing energy and positive energy that your person is currently needed. So unless you are a fire sign, I do feel like there is also another person being involved here who could actually have this kind of hot temper and stubbornness here. This is could actually be your person, but I'm definitely sensing another strong female figure here. Could be a mother or like a sister or even like an aunt figure here, but something like someone who's actually kind of older than your person, who is actually kind of abusive with this Queen of Wands energy. And for minor, like for little part of you here, for those who chose pile number one, another reason why your person is basically silent and haven't reached out towards you here is basically due to their own ego. They're just basically being stubborn, like just don't want to reach out and just basically waiting for you to reach out here. So that's it for those who chose pile number one. If the message resonates, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. Alright, so let's move on to pile number two. The first card that I've got for pile number two is Nine of Cups, Page of Swords, King of Cups, the High Priest, and Eight of Cups, with channel, message, mask, or hidden feeling. So for those who chose pile number two, I do feel like it could be strongly dealing with water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, as well as earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, but mostly I'm sensing a strong Taurus here coming out with this High Priest card. So I do feel like for those who chose pile number two, I do feel like even though that your person at this point of time haven't reached out towards you here, with this Page of Swords energy, I'm definitely sensing that that could be stalking you here, in a sense that that could be checking out your social media, just like watching your story, or like just asking about you through mutual friends, even like driving past your house, like that kind of energy here. So I do feel like the only reason that they haven't reached out towards you here, or why they are basically still silent here, I do feel like they basically have recently or basically going to walk away from something. So either they might have realized some kind of a toxic pattern, some kind of a toxic energy surrounding them, and they basically finally have decided to just walk away and let go of that. And with this High Priest card here, I'm definitely sensing that there could be some kind of a marriage for those of you who your person or your partner could be in a marriage situation here. I do feel like they finally have just decided to walk away from that, and they're basically just going to take a little bit time before reaching out towards you here. For others of you with this High Priest card, and the Eight of Cups here, I'm definitely sensing that they're finally coming up to the realization that there could be some kind of a toxicity or some kind of a negativity surrounding that situation here, and they finally have decided to let go of that. And when they decided to let go of this, instead of coming up towards you here, they basically decided to just go through, like I do feel like for majority of you who chose pile number two, I do feel like with this High Priest card, I do definitely sensing that your person could be actually going through a spiritual awakening journey here. Definitely like some kind of a dark night of the soul at this point of time here. I do feel like at this point of time also that they could be actually looking out for a mentor, or like they're basically like keeping in touch with a certain type of people who they basically regard as their mentor here with this High Priest card. And I'm definitely sensing that they're finally coming up to the realization that they have lots of emotion towards you here. With this Knight of Cups and the King of Cups energy, I'm definitely sensing that they're finally coming up to this realization that you are basically their wish fulfillment here. And I do feel like they're basically like starting to realize like this strong connection, this strong feeling that they have for you. And I do feel like this strong feeling that they have for you here is actually what trigger them to actually walk away from any negative situation, from any toxic situation, and which actually basically leading them to go through their spiritual journey or to go through their spiritual path here. I do feel like for those of you who chose pile number 2, you might be hearing from this person, or you could actually try to make contact with this person, but I don't think like the contact or the messages that you send to this person actually come out victorious, in a sense that I don't think that your person replied to you, or even if they reply to you, they could be coming up as kind of like a cold energy here. So this is why the channel message that I've got for you, for those who chose pile number 2, is mask feeling or hidden feeling. So for those of you who actually tried to reach out to your person and either you didn't get a response, or the response you got could be some kind of a cold response here, just know that they're basically trying to hide their feeling. They're basically trying to mask their feeling here, in a sense that they have lots of feeling towards you, but at one point it's also kind of confusing towards them here, and this is why they finally have decided to just step back a bit, walk away from those which are no longer serving them, and just to find their purpose here with this High Priest card. For many of you, this could actually be another person, like a father figure here could actually be guiding them, or this could actually be their own spirit guides here guiding them to their spiritual awakening or through their spiritual path here. Alright, so that's it for those who chose pile number 2. I hope the reading resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. Let's look at pile number 3. So for pile number 3, the first card that I've got for you here is Four of Swords, Four of Cups, Three of Pentacles, the King of Wands, and the Six of Pentacles. So for those who chose pile number 3, the channel message that I've got for you here is, will you give me another chance? So for those who chose pile number 3, I do feel like you could be dealing strongly with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, with this King of Wands energy here. I do feel like this person could also be someone who is stubborn, someone who actually kind of like hot temper here. For those of you who chose pile number 3, and if you choose another pile, which pile number 1, I do feel like this is also a strong soul connection between the two of you, because pile number 1, I've got the Queen of Wands as well. So if you choose pile number 3 and pile number 1 together, I do feel like this is definitely an ego clash between the two of you here, in a sense that I do feel like both of you are coming up from this place of stubbornness. Like you're just basically going to play this waiting game, just going to play this blame game. Okay, he doesn't reach out, I'm just going to wait. She doesn't reach out, I'm just going to wait. That kind of energy here. So this is specifically a message for those who chose pile number 1 and pile number 3 together. If you chose pile number 3 separately, I do feel like at this point of time here, with the significant number 4 here, I'm definitely sensing that your person is just basically have decided to just lay back a bit here. I do feel like at this point of time, your person could be concerned specifically with money issue or financial issue here at this point of time. I do feel like for those of you who chose pile number 3 and your person could be doing business here, I do feel like their business could be experiencing some kind of a loss or some kind of like decrease in a sales. Or even for those of you who are working, I do feel like your person could actually be made redundant here, in a sense that they could have lost their job temporarily. And I do feel like this is basically taking a huge toll on them, for those who chose pile number 3. And they basically have decided to just rest a bit. They just basically have decided like there are so many things that they basically need to think of with this four of cups energy. As you can see here, like they have cups 1, like something that, like one thing that they need to think of, and then the second cup, and then the third cup. So they basically like have lots of overthinkingness in their time here, and I do feel like they kind of like having a hard time to figure out like which one that needs my attention the most. That kind of energy I'm getting here. At one point they're kind of like resting, at another point they're also like resting and overthinking combined together here, in a sense that I do feel like this is another reason why, honestly, for some of you, they might even think that, okay, I will just put this reaching out to this person like in a few days or in a few weeks, like that kind of energy here, because I do feel like they're kind of feeling like like they're basically kind of feeling like a loser here, like they're kind of feeling defeated in a sense. Also for those who chose pile number 3, I do feel like their own focus here at this point of time is basically just to building up their finances, building up their career, basically they just want to rebuild their life here. And I do feel like this is mostly something to do with finances. So I do feel like for those who chose pile number 3, they definitely want to come towards you, offer you a relationship with this 3 of Pentacles energy, especially with the channel message here, will you give me another chance. But at this point of time here, I do feel like they're just feeling like a loser here. They're just feeling like they don't have enough courage to come towards you, due to they basically don't think that they are capable to fulfill your needs here in terms of financially speaking. So I do feel like they're definitely going to come towards you once they got their financial situation sorted here. So that's it for those who chose pile number 3. I hope the reading resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. Let's look at pile number 4. So for those who chose pile number 4, the first card that I've got for you here is the Star card, the Page of Wands, the 5 of Swords, 8 of Wands, and 9 of Cups coming up here. And I've got the channel message here is I see my future with you. So for those who chose pile number 4, I do feel like this person is definitely going to reach out towards you soon, either towards the end of this month or coming up in the month of July. But with this 8 of Wands and this 9 of Cups card, I do definitely sensing that you might be hearing from this person within 8 to 9 days from now here. And I'm definitely sensing that your person also have come to this realization that you are basically their wish fulfillment here. I do feel like they're basically like, I do feel like for some of you, I'm getting this I can't wait energy. So I do feel like they're definitely coming towards you here. With this 5 of Swords energy and the Page of Wands energy and the Star card, you could be dealing with someone with a strong fire sign, someone with a strong air sign as well, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But with this Star card, I'm definitely sensing like a strong Aquarius coming up here. So at this point of time here, I do feel like your person is also like having these ideas, having this I would say even like having this imagination or dreams about you. So both of you could actually be connected in a dream stage, or even in a telepathical messages or telepathical stage here, like during your meditation or basically during your sleep here, for those who chose pile number 4. With this Star card also, I'm definitely sensing that both of you had gone through a lot of healing, lots of transformation here. I do feel like the major thing that your person is concerned here with this 5 of Swords energy is that, again, I'm sensing a strong fear coming up from those who chose pile number 4. That I do feel like your person could actually have in this mindset that you basically have finally walk away here, and they're kind of scared that when they reach out towards you here, you will just either ignore them, or like will just like completely not going to have this communication here. I do feel like for some of you who chose pile number 4, I don't think that your person, I do feel like your person could actually think that you might have blocked them here in that sense as well. So for those who chose pile number 4, if you could actually try to start sending them messages here. I do feel like if you try to say hi, for those of you who have never had a communication here, I do feel like if you're the one who initiated the conversation here, I'm definitely sensing that it's definitely going to go in a positive way here. And I do feel like if you're the one who send messages here, for some of you, like I do feel like the situation will actually take off between the two of you, in a sense that the conversation will also take off here. I do feel like for those who chose pile number 4, the channel message that I've got for you here is I see my future with you. So for those who chose pile number 4, I'm definitely sensing like both of you had gone through so much of healing, so much of transformation here. It's just that at this point of time, there is some kind of a fear coming out from your person. Mostly I do feel like they think that you might have blocked them here, for those who chose pile number 4. Alright, so that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. If it does, please don't forget to click subscribe, hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. Let's look at for pile number 5. So for those who chose pile number 5, the first card that I've got for you here is the Knight of Pentacles, 7 of Swords, 4 of Wands card. Wow, I've got 2 4 of Wands here and the Temperance card. The channel message that I've got for pile number 5 is communicational blockage. Okay, so for those who chose pile number 5, I do feel like you could be dealing with an Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. You could also be dealing with a air sign here, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. But I'm sensing a strong Sagittarius coming up here for those who chose pile number 5. I do feel like for those who chose pile number 5, with this Four of Wands card coming up twice for you, I'm definitely sensing like this could be a twin flame connection, or this could be a twin flame journey that both of you are going through. If not, for some of you, this could also an indication towards me of marriage, in a sense that your person could actually be involved in a marriage with someone else, or a third party situation here at this point of time. And for those of you who are actually either involving in a third party situation or a twin flame connection here, I do feel like your person basically surrounding themselves with a lots of manipulation energy, with lots of deception energy here. I do feel like this could be something to do with their family or something to do with their work related here. Either their family member could be cheating on him, in a sense that could be telling them lies, that kind of situation, or this could also be a work situation or job situation, even a business situation here. I do feel like your person is definitely going to take things slow and steady here with this Knight of Pentacles and the communicational blockage. I do feel like strongly that there is going to be a communication, there is going to be a reunion between the two of you, especially with this Four of Wands card coming up. But I'm definitely sensing for those who chose pile number 5, this is definitely going to be a quite a long journey here. I do feel like your person definitely going to take things slow and steady. So I do feel like this is why they basically have decided to cut the communication with you here. For those who chose pile number 5, Sagittarius season could actually be significant, in a sense that you could be hearing from them during the Sagittarius season. So mid of November towards mid of December could actually be when you will be hearing from this person. Yeah, definitely going to be like kind of a long journey, like this is basically going to take quite some time for those who chose pile number 1. I do feel like the main reason here is just that basically they're kind of like they're basically unsure, or basically your person basically in this state of mind that they're just unsure who they need to trust, or who they can trust here. Like lots of manipulation and lots of deception energy here. With this Temperance card here I'm getting for you here is that be balanced and be patient, because your angels, your universe, God, ancestors, spirit guides, whoever you're believing in is basically working on your favor here. And with this Four of Wands energy, I'm definitely sensing that for those of you who are actually going through twin flame journey, this is definitely an indication towards me a reunion will be there as well. Alright, so that's it for those who chose pile number 5. I hope the reading resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. And for those of you who actually have any questions, or for those of you who actually just want to let me know on how the message resonates with you, please let me know in the comment section as well. And for those of you who actually doesn't resonate with this message, I will put the link in the description box of the monthly general reading, as well as other pick a card reading, which you can check that as well. Alright, so other than that, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell as well. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.